Welcome back, crafter and Christmas lover. Today we create magical fox cotton and jute Christmas wreath. Rustic, warm, budget-friendly, incredible, elegant. And along with crafting, I will share heartwarming Christmas story about a girl named Mira who learned but handmade decorated, carry memories more precious, the store-bought sparkle. So grab your jute cotton, patches, glue gun, and let's begin this cozy festive journey. For this beautiful rustic wreath, you will need fox cotton pods, jute rope, a simple wire wreath frame or cardboard circle, twigs, cinnamon sticks, small pine cones, fabric scrap, lace overlap, a glue gun, a little imagination, and warm cup of coca. Today we will show you a three style: the classic rustic jute with the snow-kissed fox cotton wreath, the farmhouse mixed texture wreath, and how we create these we will follow Mira's story, how she discovered the magic of simple thing of Christmas. In a quiet little town on a cold December morning lived a girl named Mira. His family did not have much, but they had warmth, laughter, and teeny box filled with old craft materials, jute strings, scrap of cotton, cinnamon stick from last winter. And that year, Mira wanted to make something special, a wreath that would make her home feel like Christmas. Begin by wrapping your frame completely with jute rope. Keep the layer tight, neat, and secure with little dots of glue. Now add small accent, a cinnamon bundle tied with twines, a small jute bow, a cluster of pine cones, maybe a little bell for a charming touch. The design is warm, farmhouse inspired, and perfect for kitchen doors, porch walls, or gifting. As Mira wrapped her first wreath with jute, she remembered an old carol her grandmother taught her. Her fingers moved directly, and the scent of cinnamon lifting her spirit. The wreath was not perfect, the jewels landed sometime, and the bow was not very even. But when she held it up, something happened. It felt like Christmas. Her mother smiled. Her said, "Perfection is not the charm Mira love is." For the second is take your frame and wrap it tightly with burlap or lace. Now add cluster of fox cotton pods, place them diagonally or cover half the breadth for a modern half moon look. Soft greenery you will need twigs painted white, a touch of glitter if you like snow sparkle. The red give a snowy, soft cozy look perfect for bedroom, fireplace and warm winter background. Mira decided her second wreath would be a snowy one. Even though real snowy never fell in the town, she shaped teeny cotton buds, placed them gently, imagined foresty morning she would only see in the movies. When she finished, she whispered, "If snow won't come to me, I will make my own." Her father laughed softly and kissed her forehead. That's the spirit of Christmas, bringing magic wherever you are. Now for the third wreath, we mix texture for a beautiful farmhouse luxury style. Start by wrapping one half of the wreath with jute rope and the other half with burlap or cotton cloth scrap. Add these fox cotton cluster, mini pine cones, cinnamons, and star anise, a jute bow layered with lace.